Well, the CDC has released guidelines advising against traditional trick-or-treating this year in an effort to prevent the spread of COVID-19. That is super disappointing for so many kids, but you don't have to cancel Halloween. We are joined live by Lisa Clint-Simpson from Community Education and Outreach at Children's Wisconsin. Lisa, great to see you. First of all, trick-or-treating, does Children's have an advisement on this, whether or not it's safe to do this year?
Yes, Children's Wisconsin agrees with the CDC and the Department of Health Services that traditional trick-or-treating will increase the risk of COVID-19 and should be avoided.
Okay, so various communities are going to make those decisions on their own. Nonetheless, you and I both have kids in the house, so I warn you, these better be good. How are some ideas about safely celebrating Halloween that the kids are going to actually buy into?
Well, here's an opportunity to make some new traditions as well, but you can kind of bring in some of the old, some of the new. You can still dress up, have a virtual costume contest or a virtual Halloween party. But when you're dressing up, we still advise that you take some of those precautions that you have in the past and making sure that if kids are wearing costumes with capes, that they use Velcro and don't tie anything around their neck. And that, again, make sure that they wear the mask too at the same time that covers their nose and their mouth to keep them socially distanced and safe. And then also if they have accessories such as brooms or swords, making sure that they're soft and pliable and not tripping hazards.
Now, as we do some of the other traditional things that are safe, I mean, you're carving pumpkins with the family and doing other things like that. What are your safety concerns that we talk about regularly this time of year?
So as you talk about carving pumpkins, another great opportunity is decorate your house, but also making sure that you do that in a safe manner to prevent fire. So if you're doing pumpkins, making sure that you use a candle that's battery operated versus one with fire. And also you could use glow sticks and things like that to decorate.
Lisa Clint-Simpson, Children's Wisconsin. Great to see you, Lisa, and those are actually some good ideas. Kids might actually buy into it. Many communities are still deciding whether to set trick-or-treat hours. To find out what different communities are choosing to do, you can go to tmj4.com/trick-or-treat.